P0059 indicates a problem with the resistance in the heater circuit of the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. This sensor helps the engine adjust fuel delivery. When the resistance is too high or too low, the PCM flags it as a malfunction. The most common causes of this code include a faulty heater in the O2 sensor, damaged or shorted wiring, or corrosion in the connector. Using an incorrect or cheap aftermarket sensor can also trigger this code. P0059 usually causes the check engine light to come on, and you may notice a drop in fuel economy during the engine's warm-up period. This happens because the sensor isn't heating fast enough to start regulating the air-fuel mixture. To fix this, check the sensor's heater resistance using a multimeter. It should typically be between 5 and 10 ohms. Inspect the connector and wiring for damage or corrosion. If the sensor is out of spec, replacing it is the most effective solution.